Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add autoplay video in Revolution slider. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm in my slider Revolution section and here is my slider, so I'm going to edit this now. To make your slider autoplay, first of all go to settings and then go to general, and here we can see the slideshow option, and inside of this slideshow option here you will find this option auto rotate slideshow. So you have to turn on this and then click on save. So this is how we can add autoplay to our Revolution slider. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.